rain. Do you like rain? Then subscribe. But if you don't, then it's
Why do you like rain?
because it's just so beautiful.
But sometimes rain will cause flood and non-stop rain.
But I just like it.
Why?
If you can see at the background that we are driving now and at the window, it's actually raining. You can see it properly. But at the front, but if you can see like the little bit of rain if you like zoom in. But so today it was the day to see the nice cloud outside. But in far away or in Malaysia state or where they got hit by flood. Please pray for the people that got affected by the flood. But also, I have one more team. My team is not only rain, my team is also nature. If you can see at the window at the back, the green is nature. I like nature because it's just like I don't know what it's feel. I don't know what to talk, but it's just so good for me. Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Father Harry.